Hi guys, how you doing? I'm good. I am Avil. I want a little bit of walk for taking a little bit oxygen. And tonight is the last day from 2024. Today is 31 December, and we will enter to New Year 2025 about 1 hour, 2 hours. Right now, I am sitting in the bank. So the noises you hear, they are fireworks. Everywhere there are popping fireworks. Boom, 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 boom. Fucking, you cannot sleep. You cannot take a rest. You hear only noises. They have to make only one places for fireworks. They have to make system. Almost in every street I hear noises, fireworks. Actually, I didn't like it. They have to make one central place only for fireworks. If you want to fireworks, only you have to go to that place. Anyway, we will enter a new year, and everyone expects from New Year good things, and they are hoping a lot of things. They wish you to buy a new car, new girlfriends, make a money, go to the new land, hope, expecting. Yeah, these all things, they are good, positive, right? But a lot of people only they are wishing and they are hoping every day. What's the difference? Now is night. I will go house. Maybe I will watch one movie today. I have to choose one movie. After a movie, I will sleep. And it will be the morning, and I will wake up. And it's 1 January 2025. What it will be changed? Nothing. Only the date. If you want to make difference, you have to move, you have to act. The date, the time is same. Now everybody's celebrating for New Year, but everyone he go to there, they will go to bed and sleep, and then they will wake up and they will see same street, same sky, same Avil, same bank. So what will be the difference? The difference come from you. You have to move, you have to act. And in every new year we have to think of the last from year. We have to think what I did this year, because the time is like a water is flow. You cannot understand how the time is passed. I remember when we went into 2024, and now we will enter to 2025. 1 year. 1 year, it was like only 4 months, 5 months. It was very fast. So we have to make plans, and we have to move. We have to act, so then we can achieve what we want. But if we are only hoping and expecting, we will get nothing. Yeah, let's walk a little bit in streets. Everywhere is noise. Today the weather is a little bit cold. Actually it's cold, not little bit. I'm handsome, man. Look at this guy. So what I mean is, we have to make every time plan, especially the last day of the year. We have to think what I did this year. What was my plan? Did I achieve it? Did I did everything? If you didn't, maybe you have to do the next time. sometimes you cannot do the things you want to do. What is your plan about 2025 and what do you want to achieve? Yeah. Now I'm gonna show you one place. Now it's closed, but here the children, they are skating here, ice skating here. Now it's closed because it's the last day of the year. Oh, it's an automatic lamp? I don't understand. I see a light. Yeah, the children, they are skating here. It's the winter, or as you see. Now everyone is celebrating there at home for New Year. In this New Year, I want to take my driver license and I want to brace for my teeth. I have teeth like a shark. I have to make braces. And I want to see and go to some lands. Yeah. And I want to start study for physiotherapy. We will see. I want to do this year a lot of things. And also I want to make good physique. I want to take 10 kilo. Now I am 68 kilo. I want to take first maybe 7 kilo, 8 kilo. We will see. Now I almost take it 4 kilo. Yeah. The fireworks. Boom, 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 boom. If you want to sleep, you cannot sleep. If you want to work, you cannot work from these noises. Anyway, I will go home right now. I am walking to do it in my home. Is it dark? I can't see myself. This is the disadvantage to be a black. Of maybe advantage. But it's really cold tonight. We can say the winter is starting. Yeah. Dark. I'm gonna turn the front camera, no, the back camera. Maybe we will see some fireworks. Oh, it starts windy. Ui, it's cold, man. Sometimes it's nice when you get boring to go outside, walk, and you feel very good. If you are stressed, if you are depressed, just go outside and take a walk. Yeah, I don't see any fireworks. Bum 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 bum. I was born yesterday, and now I am a big man. The time go fast. Let's go to home to drink coffee, then to watch a movie, and after to sleep. Ooh. Yeah. Hi. It's like we are in the war. What the fuck is this?